Snap, we care about inclusion because Snapchatters care. We asked them directly, and our global Snapchat community said they wanted to see themselves reflected in our products. And that starts with us, with our culture, our tech, and our content.
So funny enough, we actually just met at an ERG-hosted holiday event.
Where we get to sing with the Snapchat CEO.
The employee resource group I'm part of is Snap Noir.
The employee resource group that I'm a part of is Snap Familia. Being a part of the ERG community is like being home, especially when home is pretty far away.
Being Black, being a woman, being neurodivergent, being a mother, I've always been encouraged to bring my full self to work. And so that really solidified my commitment to the culture at this company because it feels like it has contributed to me.
By giving people spaces where they can go and they can truly free themselves up, you're unlocking their creativity. What it really gains the business is the people.
The exciting thing happens when you see the ideas that you originate together that wouldn't have happened if you did not have those diverse perspectives and people in the room. For me, it's a blueprint for innovation.
Snapchat's a platform that's being used by people all over the world. If we're going to create amazing augmented reality experiences, we need to make sure that the people that are building those experiences represent them.
The only way we can do that is having a diverse and global developer community build those types of experiences.
Snap helped me a lot to connect with other developers through events, workshops.
Having lensathons that are truly global, anybody can take part, even I from Zambia can take part.
The support that you get from the Snap team really gives you the motivation to keep pushing in this emerging technology because you know that people have your back.
The only way you can create innovative products is to encourage an environment where ideas can come from anywhere.
I use hand tracking in a lot of my work. The first version of Spectacles, I started to notice that it didn't always work as well on darker skin. I could share that with the Snap community and they really accepted that feedback. And I think that's why inclusivity is so important.
Different people from different backgrounds, they all bring in unique perspectives to problem solving.
Our goal of building tools that are incredibly inclusive is really about humans all the way down.
A great example of this is the world's first AR vending machine that we created for Coca-Cola that enabled hands-free operation. Not only was it serving the Olympics, but also the Paralympians. It's on us. It's on Team Snap to ensure that everyone can see themselves authentically reflected in the experiences that we make.
I met Cal this year, and it was just so exciting to see someone showing us how Snapchat really embraces who you are.
The talent partnership team really support creators being their most authentic and creative self. I take a lot of pride in watching their growth. I'm very invested.
I can literally put on a do-rag, go to the corner store with sweats, and act crazy with a crop top shirt. Baby, it's all in popping, and it's fun. And I realize that Snapchat celebrates that.
Snapchatters are true storytellers, and I think our audience always responds to the authenticity of what they see. Everybody should see themselves on Snapchat.
I get a chance to be a part of a community that is wildly creative. So many of us do so many different things. You get it all. And that's what I like because it's not just a facade saying come as you are. Oh, you can grow here. Here at Snapchat, y'all really mean it. Like, y'all got my back.
Being inclusive and welcoming is more important than ever to know that there's a space for us.
True progress happens when inclusivity is at the heart of creation.
It's so important for the content that we make, for the app that we make.
It allows the best ideas really to bubble up.
Snapchat gives you that power and that freedom to say create your own story.
We've heard from developers, we've heard from Snap stars, we've heard from our Snap team members about what it means to belong at Snap. It's important for us to continue creating this global community where authenticity, innovation, and storytelling thrives because that's just who we are.